up, Louie Gang?
Purchase your tracks today.
Sorry to interrupt, ladies and gentlemen, but you already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy, TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. Good morning, guys. Right now, it's 9:33. I had a busy week this week. I can't even lie to you. Hold on, that's Netflix. What are you doing, Netflix? Calm down. So, basically, I got an hour and 16 minutes left until I get my full 10-hour reset. So I'm just in the back of my truck right now. All my clothes I washed and stuff while I was at home. I'm about to fold these and put them up in here. Cause I haven't done it in the past couple of days. They've been sitting in this bag for like 2 days. It's time to just straighten up my truck, clean up, then we could just roll, man. I had a very, very busy weekend, man. I haven't vlogged like that on the road because a little screw in my camera came out and I had to order a new one. Got that. So the Blizzy vlogs back in full effect. Rolly gang. This the hoodie I had on when the accident stuff happened. I don't want this no more. I gotta get this out of my truck. I don't want no parts of this. So I'm gonna throw this away. Look at it. I can't even look at this. Alright, we pretty much got everything in here. From socks to drawers to shorts, jogging pants, hoodies. I got like I said, I got too many black t-shirts. Hold on, let me tell y'all this, right? I know y'all see me in black t-shirts all the time. So do not think that I don't shower. Because I shower every other day. And if I work out on the road, which I haven't been, and I'm supposed to, and I feel bad, I take a shower every day after my workout. But as you can see, I have tons and tons and tons.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of black t-shirts. I even got some brand new ones right. Oh, drop the sock. I even got some brand new ones right here. So, I don't know how they just look, but pretty much, I got a lot of black t-shirts. Okay, a whole lot of black t-shirts. And I need to get some more colors in there, which is why I ordered these right here, which is, instead of wearing a safety vest, I ordered the safety looking thing, the shirts that look like the safety. So, yeah. But right now, we finished putting up our clothes and everything. We got about, let's see, 11 minutes until 10-hour break is over. So, I'm about to brush my teeth. Soon as the clock strikes 10:49, we about to do our pre-trip and get our roll on. we just started. We just got done getting some fuel and starting on a 30-minute break. So while I'm here at the Pilot, I'm about to go get me a shower, some socks, one drop, black t-shirt. You know, I told y'all I got a bunch of them. Boom. There we go, black t-shirt. Some polo briefs and some shorts. Let's see. Just grab a pair of shorts. I'm about to get a shower. Alright, I'm about to book a shower on the app right now. They got 7 floor showers available. Reserved right now. Yes, proceed. Alright. Guest number 28. Alright. So we got our shower booked, whatever. I got 11 minutes into my 30-minute break over, so that's enough time to take a shower, then start rolling. So let's get in the bag. So this is what I use when I take showers. I use this African Shea Moisture Soap. Get dandruff and all that out, dry scalp, itchy scalp. I use this right here is my favorite soap, Dr. Bronner's. And you know, gotta keep your deodorant on deck. It's in here somewhere. Gotta keep the deodorant brush. And then you know why we're a do-rag for the whiz-a's. So, that being said, let's get in the shower. Clean it up, you know what I'm saying? Face looking good. Get the soap up off you. Boy, if you don't. Shower is over. You always gotta remember, don't forget to look. Make sure you don't leave anything. You wanna take everything with you, because once you get on that road, it ain't no turning back, man. Let's get to the truck. Get out of here. Reset is officially over. Joplin.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thanks.
Hi.
How you doing?
Coming from Big Cabin?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. You too. Alright, y'all, we officially done for the day. Thank you again for tuning in and rolling with TB. Thank you for subscribing, and watching the series called The Boring Life of a Trucker. This is just one of those days where he's basically just driving. It wasn't really no picking up no load and delivering. It's just straight driving today. So I'll catch y'all when we get to the crib for home time. Rolly gang.